Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Robux on PlayStation 5 with a gift card, which is the only way to do so. PlayStation consoles do not support direct Robux purchases or gift card redemptions within their store interface. You will always need an external device, such as a computer or a mobile phone, to manage your Robux transactions. This ensures your account balance is updated before you play on your console. To redeem your gift card, open a web browser on your computer or mobile device and go to the official Roblox website. Once there, securely log into the Roblox account where you wish to add the Robux. Look for the gift cards section, typically found under the main menu or a dedicated page. Carefully enter the 12-digit code from your physical or digital gift card and click Redeem to process it. This step is critical for adding funds. Once your gift card is successfully redeemed on the website, the Robux balance will automatically synchronize across all platforms linked to your account. You can then launch the Roblox application directly on your PlayStation 5 console. Upon opening the game, your updated Robux total will be clearly displayed within your account details. This seamless integration allows you to spend your newly acquired Robux on games and items, just as you would on any other device. Always double-check that you are logging into the correct Roblox account when redeeming gift cards to avoid any accidental transfers. For safety, only purchase Roblox gift cards from trusted and authorized retailers, whether online or in person. Remember, the key is using a separate device to manage the redemption process, as direct console redemption is not supported. Enjoy exploring the vast world of Roblox with your new Robux.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.